stalling out before, but I got no brake lights. That's lovely. Oops, here's the power steering limit, I guess. Oops. Let's grab forward real quick, shall we? Pardon the sketchy headlights. I haven't gotten everything reinstalled in the front yet either. We gotta look. There's definitely something that is vibrating, so I'll have to deal with that. I think it's a U-joint on the passenger side, but whatever. Power steering works good though. That ain't it. Windows are a bit dirty. Can't see much out the back. Yeah, I made the driveway. Alrighty, I think it's time to call it a night. You notice the tach went way up. The idle's real high. I've still got to figure that out, but whatever. Alright, there you go. Just a quick drive.